Shenzhen Senyue Electronics Corporation Limited, established in 2010, specializes in PCB manufacturing, PCB assembly, providing one-stop solution for PCB manufacturing and assembly, from PCB design, PCB prototype, PCBA design scheme to fabrication. We have 3 production bases in Shenzhen, Dongguan, and Zhongshan, with advanced high-precision production equipment and automated production lines. Certified to ISO 9001, ISO 14001, IAT 16949, CQC, and UL standards, we meet the strictest international requirements. From prototype to mass production, Senyue Electronics remains committed to delivering technically superior PCBs with rapid turnaround times. Let's engineer your success together.